Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss with you how to answer various negative questions which will be asked in interviews. To answer such questions, I am going to take a support of sandwich approach, which is our copyrighted method. And along with some questions, I am also going to discuss two sample answers, seeing which you can frame your own answers for various other questions. Even after looking at this video, if you have any doubts left out with any negative question, you can post it in the comment. We will try to answer those questions. But before we do that, let us try to understand what is the context of asking negative questions. Why do an interviewer ask a negative question? It is obvious that interviewers always try to put you in a situation which you are not comfortable. And one such tool they have to make it happen is asking about some negative happening with you. And what they might pick is maybe they will ask about your weakness, or maybe they ask you about some negative experiences what you had at office, at college, or simply in personal life, something like that. Now what is that you can come out with is they just are trying to check how you responded to those tough situations which you came across. Knowing this, let us see some sample questions what might come in an interview. Most famous among all these is what is your weakness? This is mostly asked, and few other questions like describe a time when you were not satisfied or pleased with your performance. Describe a situation when you dealt with someone who did not like you and how did you handle it. Give an example when you had to work with someone who was difficult to get along with. Tell me about a mistake you made in the past. Tell me negatives of your college. Tell me negatives of your friends. What do your friends think in your absence about you? All these questions will put together might come as a negative question. Now, I am going to tell you what is this sandwich approach. You can clearly see there are three layers in a sandwich. Now, when a negative question comes to you, negative discussion comes to you, you can think of this sandwich. Let me explain it clearly. You can see sandwich has three different layers. 1, 2, 3. Now, when a negative question is asked, you need not start the question with a negative discussion straight away. You can start saying some positive comments about that situation, then speak relevant negatives. Again, you have to speak something positive. This is what we call sandwich approach, putting less negative between more positives. This explains the interviewer how optimistic you are and what kind of person you are. Let us take an example of a question and you will understand it better. Here we go. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. More positive and less negative in between positives. Now the question is, tell me negatives of your project supervisor. The question is, tell me negatives of your project supervisor. So a candidate is asked to tell negatives about his or her teacher who is a close supervisor for their project. And project comes most of the times in pre-final year or final year. So it will be a recent past experience. Now it's obvious that there will be definitely few points which you might dislike about your supervisor. Now, shall we put all that negative first? Let us see how we will answer this question. I was telling you the first layer, our first layer for this question, tell me negatives of your supervisor. Look at it. Working on the project under my supervisor, Dr. Ankur Saxena, was one of the best learning experiences of my life. Learnings through him were very valuable for me, both personally and professionally. But as every human being have some aspects to improve upon, my supervisor was not any different. I don't say they are negatives, but I felt I was not comfortable with a few things during my project. Now, this is a pure positive statement which is said towards the question. However, this is not something which the interviewer is still waiting for. He is very keen to listen to some negatives. But before that, what you did? You spoke positive about your supervisor. Then what you did? Because you have to answer the question, you said, I stay in hostel. There were incidents when I wanted to go home for holidays, like Diwali, etc. My supervisor never allowed me to do so. He never spared when I came late to class. He used to make me stand outside our lab for some time. Now, this is a negative statement which you are making. I don't say it's a pure negative statement, but it's like you are playing your cards really well. Now, again comes positive statement. Now, what that positive statement is going to be, how we are going to end this question. But once I was done with my graduation, I then understood how much discipline matters when you have to achieve better results. I felt it difficult then, but as I told you before, I ended up with best learning experiences for my life. I am blessed to work under him. Now, I am only trying to give you the essence of this answer. You need not pick the exact words what are given here and try to answer the question. You can take your own incident. You can think of your teacher. You can think of what might he or she might have done better to you during your project days, or maybe a similar example. It need not be every time a project. A question may come about your sports teacher, a question may come about your class teacher, a question may come about your friend, anybody, but your answer will be in this structure: more positive first, then less negative, and positive again. So this is how you answer this question. You cannot end up only saying positive things, because the question is specifically about negatives, right? I hope you enjoyed this. Let us look at one more question. What kind of people you hate to have in your team? Now, this is again after weakness. This is also one most frequently asked question. What kind of people you hate to have in your team? Look at the positive first. I believe every individual in an organization will work to fulfill the responsibility assigned to them and gives their best possible efforts to meet the organization goals in their own way. And that should be everyone's responsibility. This is a positive statement. But, so you are saying, but for any reason, if anybody ignores or escapes from their responsibility, if anybody ignores or escapes from their responsibility, such are the people whom I hate to work with. Right? Now this is a negative statement. Now, again, what is a positive statement? However, being a team member, if in any way I get to know about the reason for such instances, I would not hesitate to be part of solution. I don't hesitate to be part of solution. Ensuring that the organization goals never get affected. Look at how strong this statement is. Ensuring that organization goals never get affected. Now, I have given some quick keywords here. However, the same context can be explained in a lengthy way with more words also. Giving some other, adding some salt and pepper to it, you can make this answer better. Because of time and space constraint, I have given quick words here. You can pick such question again, such answers, and you can frame your own answers. Don't only end up saying negative things about what is being asked, but if you can do like this, like sandwich approach, approaching the negative questions, answering in sandwich way, I think you can fulfill the requirement of the interviewer. So this is it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any other questions which you want me to make a video, you can comment. And if you have any other negative questions which I did not cover in this video, you can leave it in the comment box. I will also try to answer those questions in the comment box itself. Thank you very much.